On my menu today, first up I've got some cheese, broccoli and potato soup, the continental, which is really nice. I've tried that before. I've mixed that with some long life noodles. There was 4 in this packet. I've taken 1 out. And to give it some crunch, I've got some Harvest tasty toppers, which can go in salad and also soup, which is what they're going to go in today. For last stage, I've got the Radix Mexican chili with avocado, plant-based, another vegetarian one, and I'm going to have that afterwards. So you just soak those noodles in hot water for 5 minutes, which I've already done. I've already put my soup in the cup. I've left that for about 5 minutes as well. I'm going to pour that on top of the noodles there, and to give it some crunch, I'm going to put some of these croissants in it as well. I've got these, as I say, they're the Harvest Crunch ones, and this is, I divided that out into 4 portions, so this is one of the portions. See, this is all supermarket stuff, and this is probably about a $3 meal here. There's all the ingredients. That's my long spork I have mixed in pretty well. Taste it and see how it is. That's not bad at all. As I say, it's a relatively cheap meal. A cup of soup, basically, some noodles and some croissants. Well, you can't get a much cheaper meal than that. And the soup gives the noodles and the croissants a nice taste. Oh yeah, that's a success. Okay, that's the next part of the meal. The Radix plant-based Mexican chili with avocado. Obviously I've taken the contents out and put them in my freezer bag, as I've said before, for easy storage in my food bag on multi-day hikes. You can, of course, in these Radix ones, you can use it as a bowl. You rip the top off here, but that's not something I choose to do. I'm going to use my Cedar Summit bowl. Okay, water's boiling. I've got my pot grabber so I don't get burnt. Turn the gas off. And here's the bowl. This is 250 ml of water for this particular meal. Drop that in there. I've got my spork. Give that a good stir. I'm going to put the lid on, seal that down. Now, according to the packet, that should only need 5 minutes, but I'll probably leave it, for past experience with other meals, I'll probably leave it up towards 10 minutes maybe. There's the dish, rehydrated. Now we're going to go for the taste. Now I've left that rehydrating for nearly 10 minutes. And while the taste, the actual flavour in the juice is really, really nice. But it certainly doesn't taste like avocado to me. So the verdict on this one, out of 10, for flavour, I'd give it 9. But for the taste in your mouth and the texture, I'd only give it about 2. So the Radix meal, this one, won't be going on to my multi-day food list to pack away. Because if I had a real big day and at the end of the day this was my meal, I'd be pretty disappointed, I think. So yeah, this one won't be going in my food bag. As I said before, at least when I test these out on my day hikes, I can find out if I like them or not, and that's what it's about really, before I go packing food up for a multi-day or longer hike. The longer it's soaking as I eat it, getting to the bottom of it, the texture does start to feel a little bit better. It doesn't feel so cardboardy. So, you know, it's just an experiment. So when they say 5 minutes on this one, as long as the bowl is sealed down tight, you know, I reckon you could leave it probably over 10 minutes to really soak through properly. As I say, the longer I'm leaving it, the better it's tasting. So that's just a... But I still don't think it's going to make it to my multi-day hike food bag. Hope you found that reasonably informative. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. That'd be great. Take care, and I hope to see you on another video soon. Goodbye.